Ang ni jip siam ki mo. Ang ham ki pe de tok cha gri ra.
Ki no yalam ke JSU kila kam ba kani ka dei ka private hearing kam dei ka public hearing kumno ki ong ba ka public hearing kan ya chkhmat ya kani ngimla ban priang namar ha ki video ngila ban sakhi bakiti yeu surong ki siat du tiar gas ki pendon kam de ki mafia bat ki pulit ban khang ki paidbah bawan bayeshim Mynta ha ka public hearing na kalyang ke JSU ka penrem jur ya ke jingkren usimbot menteri rangba ke Jylla uba prestun tingsong na Mariala dia Shushong ha office umtip ya ke jingïa ki Nongstoin shnong ushuai hukum bende bean ki pulit kat bamon kani ngimla ban priang ha ke imlang sahlang namar ngitip ba ke Jylla Meghalaya kadai ke Jylla sinchar paidbah amdei basinchar don bor Kadaw ba bangim priang ya kani ka public hearing namar ke sorkar ukonrat kali da kabor ya kani ke jingle bor jong ukonrat ngila ban pin shisha ling ba ki video
Kata na jrong na kelen dat mo gi. Ami video dat brin lia. Pe ma tam gi kelen sawdong bet. Do mo bet chor ga bro. Na jrong lom ni ta ha mon tu. Pe tu. Pe tu mo. Oh. Mari mo. Re bro. Re dah. Ang ni jip siam ki mo. Ang ham ki pe de tok cha gri ra. Ang ham ki. Ang ham ki ơi. Pe tu mo hap yo. Yo. Re bro. Ma ba da. Re. Puduk dah geri dah. Betok ada geri yom. Itu tak full plan dah. Sampai kering dah. Lagi kata. Yuk. Ham kami dah opi oi. Ham yut geri, yut beda. Ham yut bro. Ham ki. La yut. Pet stas ke mana oi? Pet ke mana oi? Pet tu mo. Yang. Mana oi? Tak mo dah. Tu pet tu yom. Re. Ai am ki na oi bro. Ya. Hey. Dia dah kesal betik ini JSB. Dat ini dah umur, set ini motor. Ini warak. Ini tu lutik game cak lah lutik. Ikan siri semen saya tay. Kita dua dat ini dah umur ni melak. Kita dua pencipta ni. Kesal pet dat mo, pet tay mo. Yut. Bos ada. Yut. Online bet dia. Ini surat A tu dia.
Today, the 31st of July 2026, we, the Jaintia Students Union, were not allowed to participate in a public hearing held by Sri Cement Limited regarding their mines at Lom Serman. A little bit about the public hearing. We had reached the spot for the public hearing yesterday around evening around 4 to 5 p.m. and we had witnessed that some members of other student unions had been detained by the police, and upon inquiry on their detainment, it was known that there was no probable cause, there was no arrest warrants, there was no summons issued by the police department regarding their arrest and their detains. We from the Jaintia Students Union were there and we participated with the local people who were against the mining project of Sri Cement. We were with other NGOs from JNC, KSU and others. We were there and we had given moral support yesterday to the people of Elaka Nongpoh, and also we were there till the evening because we had to be ready to attend the public hearing in the morning today. So upon waiting on the public hearing, what happened yesterday at around 11:30 p.m. somehow there was a mishap where our ambulance of Jaintia Students Union Central Body was targeted and attacked upon a rescue mission that it was set onto Shnong village. It was said we had received a distress call from a resident of Shnong village, and at that moment, I, the education secretary, had allowed the ambulance driver to go and attend to Shnong from Cement Bazaar, and the driver could not reach the destination because he was mishandled, and there was goons who attacked the vehicle and who even attacked the medical attendees at that moment. We clearly condemn this barbarianism of these people, of these goons employed by the Shri Cement Company. We condemn that these people do not have that sense of humanity in them, that they can't even differentiate between an ambulance and a private vehicle. So also we had received news that there were women from Shnong village who had been assaulted because they were not allowed to go and protest regarding the public hearing. So we condemn this news also. And also we condemn the news of Shri Cement that they had to buy these goons from outside the district, from outside of East Jaintia Hills, and they had to buy these goons for 1,000, 2,500 or whatever going rate they're going at, just to attend the public hearing and to be goons for them, to hold catapults or any other weapons that they were given by the leaders. And strongly we condemn this public hearing today, which we could not attend. As you know, we have sent the visuals via our media cell. I think the press also has received the visuals regarding the public hearing. We were not able to attend the public hearing as there was a mob enforced. They were using weapons, they were throwing stones, they were tossing many other sharp objects at us, and we could not go and attend the public hearing. And just recent, we have received the news that the public hearing went smoothly without any opponents, which is clearly false, and we clearly condemn this because this is not a public hearing, this is a private hearing. One thing I would like to condemn from the Jaintia Students Union side, we strongly condemn the Home Minister on his statements regarding the first public hearing, where he said that we should solve our matters at the public hearing, we should go and attend these public hearings there. But it seems that it's clear that he does not want us to attend. And just day before, he had given a statement in the news that he has instructed the SP and the DC of East Jaintia Hills to maintain the law and order situation so that people could participate in the public hearing. But today we have seen the results, and it's clearly false, and he has given false hope, and his statements are all false. So we condemn the Home Minister, and we demand for his resignation, because he cannot even keep his word, even holding such a big position in the cabinet. And also, we condemn the arrest of these other student union leaders, where they have been detained without any probable cause. So we strongly condemn this, and I'm sure the other student unions will move this matter into a legal matter, and then they will consult with us so that we will tackle it in a different way. Also, from the Jaintia Students Union side, we have called the DSP of East Jaintia Hills today before the public hearing started, right after we were assaulted by these goons, and he has assured us, and we had telephonic conversation with him, which was recorded, and also we will be giving it in a statement via an FIR to the SP tomorrow. The DSP has confirmed that he will take care of us and he will lead us to the public hearing, which also the Home Department, the Police Department of East Jaintia Hills has failed drastically. So tomorrow, we from our union will be filing an FIR to the SP of East Jaintia Hills, and we will see in the upcoming days what action can be taken from the SP side. And if we find that the SP cannot take any action, we will move to a higher council, we will move to a higher office, or even move to the Meghalaya High Court regarding the situation. Lastly, we would like to thank all our members and the participants who participated in the public hearing, who were en route to participate on the public hearing against the Sri Cement Limited mining plan at Lumserman. We would like to thank each and every member for being with us, and I hope that they don't lose hope. They don't lose hope regarding this public hearing, because actually we have not lost. We won't consider it a loss because we were not allowed to attend at the public hearing. So I don't think we'll consider it as a loss, because we will try other remedies regarding the matter. Thank you very much.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon ha upod usam ha pedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them arteli ki Jylla ha ka benta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phauteli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bniah ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hang ta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka Khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinray ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini arteli ki Jylla Mynta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan